Miss Smith makes balloon arrangements. She has 32 blue balloons, 24 yellow balloons, and 16 white balloons. Each arrangement must have the same number of each color. What is the greatest number of arrangements that Miss Smith can make if every balloon is used? How many of each color will be in each arrangement? Uh-oh, I'm seeing a hint here. Same number, greatest number. You're right, GCF. So we're going to find the same number, greatest number, GCF. We're going to do 32 blue balloons, 24, and 16. So I'm going to do 32, 24, and 16. All right, let's find the factors. 32 is 1 times 32. Then 2 times, 32 divided by 2 is 16. If you don't know these, you need to start memorizing. 3 doesn't go into 32, but check. 32 divided by 3 equals, nope, doesn't work. 4, yes. 4 times what? 4 times 8. 5, nope. 6, nope, because I don't see a 2 and a 3. 7, nope, and there's my 8. So there's my U. So 32 gives me 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, and 32. All right, let's do 24. 1 times 24, 2 times 12, good. 3 times 8, good. 4 times 6, 5, nope. All right, here we go. There's my U, because there's my 6. So 24 is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. And lastly, 16. 1 times 16, 2 times 8, 3, nope, 4, yes, 4 times 4. So 16, let me get the black, there we go. So 16 is going to be 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. All right, let's find our common factors. 1, 2. Not 3, but we have 4. Ooh. Anything else? Oh, wait, hold on. I have an 8 here, an 8 here, and an 8 there. Anything else? Let's see, 6, no. 16, no. 12, no. 30, nope. Looks like my greatest, my common factor is 8. So what is the greatest number of arrangements Miss Smith can make if every balloon is used? She can make 8 arrangements. Now, I'm going to come down here and I'm going to draw my 8 arrangements. So I'm going to do 1, let's make that a little bigger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, there's my 8 arrangements. All right, so now let's think through this. I've got 8 arrangements. And I've got how many blue balloons? I had 32. Let me get, I wonder if I can do 32 blue balloons. Will it do, no, well, I don't think it'll let me pick it. Oh, there we go. All right, let's do 32 blue balloons going into 8. Well, 32, I've got 8 both sets of arrangements. So how many blue balloons are going to be in there? Well, 32 divided by 8 should give me 4. So there should be 4 blue balloons. We'll check it. 4 blue, 4 blue, 4 blue, 4 blue, 4 blue, and 4 blue. Let's check, okay? Here we go. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. So how many blue balloons will be in each arrangement? There will be 4 blue balloons. All right, let's do yellow. Now I'm going to do orange, but we're going to call it yellow, okay? So we've got 24 yellow balloons going into 8 arrangements. Well, 24 yellow balloons, 8 arrangements. It's going to be how many yellow balloons in each arrangement? 3 because 24 divided by 8 gives me 3. So it should be 3 yellow balloons. 3 yellow, 3 yellow, 3 yellow, 3 yellow, 3 yellow, 3 yellow, now 3 yellow. Now let's make sure the 3 yellows times 8 gives me 24. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. So there'll be 3 yellow balloons in each arrangement. White balloons. Well, I'm going to pick green for white, okay? All right, so we have 16 white balloons going into 8 arrangements. How many white balloons should be in each? Well, 16 divided by 8 gives me 2. There should be 2 white balloons. 2 white, 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 and 2 white. Let's make sure it adds up to 16. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So there'll be 2 white balloons. All right, let's do another problem.